Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Look what I just got in. Yes, Beats Solo 3. I love these. Up to 40 hours of playtime, which is fantastic. This is the special edition product Red. This was gifted to me by Beats Solo, so I want to thank them so much for sending it to me. I really do appreciate that. So we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to take a look at everything, what's in the package, what's included, the manual. I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'm going to give you my fair opinion, I'm going to listen to this and give you all the information. Again, up to 40 hours. This is on air, not over the air. Super easy to charge, USB, really kind of cool. All right, I love this product. Let's get rocking and rolling. Enjoy the review and let's get going. Let's go. Let's open up the package. This is brand new. Again, this was gifted to me by Beats. As you can take a look here, and let's see how the package is. So the package is cool. Let's see how it was all wrapped, and let's see how to open it. This is my first time opening up this kind of package. Oh, here we go. It gets slide out of the box. Well, that makes a lot of sense. There we go. On here, battery life up to 40 hours. What else does it say? Fast fuel, 5-minute charge, 3 hours of play. Battery fuel gauge it has, which on-air controls. You can control the music on-air, phone calls, and built-in Bluetooth microphone. So that's cool. That's really good. Pretty much everything all you want, all in one package. So let's take a look here. Open this up. Oh, wow. This packaging is cool. This is actually my first time opening up a set of Beats. So I never had this experience before. So the experience is really good. Very, very similar to a lot of the higher end brands. It's changed the way you hear sound. Okay, that's cool. Comes in this case. So what's in here? Just is in here the case. Let's see what else is in the package real quick here. It is a manual. And let's see if some accessories in here. There should be like a little drawer. There's a little accessories in here. So you get a little lanyard clip, and it looks like a USB charger. Let's take a look here real quick. Yep, a USB charger. Not USB-C, just a USB charger. So there's all kinds of different things in the actual packaging itself. So it does come with a manual. Just gives you also a free sample of Apple Music in here. It says right here you can get a free sample or a free trial of Apple Music. It gives you the information. Just scan the QR code and you can get that. The actual manual, how to use it, the different functions, different features, how to pair it, things like that. So I'm just going to charge it up. Did a quick cutaway. I'll show you that in a few seconds. Just plug it in. It came in dead. You had to charge it up. So I have to go over that. Here, and also a very cool sticker. I like that. I wanted to show you that sticker. That's super awesome. Put that in your car, on your laptop, wherever. I love that. Very cool. I love that Beats logo. Super sharp. And that's what's in this package. So it does come in a nice little case. And this is a soft case. Just so you know, you can see that. Soft case. Has a zipper. Love the smell of new tech. I don't know if you guys, if you love the smell of new tech, let me know. Leave some comments down below if you love the smell of new tech. I absolutely love it. I love the smell of new tech. Oh, wow. Look at these. These things are screaming red. Not just red, but screaming red. And that's all that's in here, right? Yep. So this is the Beats branded soft case, but to the side. And here are the actual headphones. Now, these are very cool looking. Oh, I like that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. It says branded Beats on the head. So you got the up and down. So you got the volume up and down here. You can see that. And let's take a look at the other side here. Doesn't say anything on the other side. Solo 3. So I'm going to set this up, listen to it, hook it up to my phone, and listen to some music. And I'm going to give you my quick review. So stay tuned. Let's get back to the review in a few seconds. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying this type of content. Just to be fair and transparent, there is an affiliate link down below. I do get a small commission if you're interested in something like this. And if you enjoy this kind of video, unpackaging, box, tech, and how-to videos, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. It helps me. I can keep hopefully helping you. I really do appreciate that. So everything we do here is really all like that. And also it's branded on top. I like that. All right, guys, let me just go plug this in, check it out, and I'll be right back. So I plugged it in. It's at 1 blinking bar. Needs to be fully charged as 5 bars. Took about an hour and a half. Like I said, it didn't take long at all, and it's got 40 hours. Let's go. Hey guys, just got done listening to a bunch of music and absolutely sound fantastic. The only drawback I would say is that it was a little tight on my head, and it's probably just have to get used to that. I'm used to wearing earbuds, so I'm not used to wearing these on my ears. That was my only complaint, if there is one. But I love them. They're very comfortable. They are comfortable actually on the ears. You just got to get used to that pressure on your ears. That's the only thing different for me. And they do close. So I'm going to show you this couple of different features here. They do close. They close up nicely, and they are adjustable. So these open up. Okay, high quality as well. You know these are all high quality, right? Really nice quality. So you got the volume up, the volume down button over here.
charge it up, simple, like I showed you how the fuel gauge works, right? Turn it on, automatically connects to your phone, right? Super easy, and just a really nice. They're not too heavy either, which is nice. So I like that. I'm going to show you how it looks on my sample person here. I don't want to say dummy, but and you can see how they fit over the ears. And they fit actually on the ear, not over the ear, they fit on the ear. So you can see here by the look, they sit on top of the ear. So they sit on the ear like that there, but they actually are I guarantee you probably will get comfortable with these. I see a lot of people wearing these, and it must be good. The sound is fantastic. So that's what it's really hard to show you, listen to the sound, and playing music on is not going to really help you. You really just have to experience this yourself. So if you're looking for high quality and excellent quality sound and high quality build, definitely this is the way to go. I mean, Beats definitely has it hands down. The quality is super fantastic, easy to charge. Took around hour and a half to fully charge it to, but that gives you 40 hours. Turn it on, shut it off, you get the fuel gauge right here. Everything tells you how it works, and this is how it looks on. The phone recognizes this, so you can make Bluetooth phone calls. You can use this to make calls, which is really kind of cool. If you're out in a loud environment, you can hear the people really clearly, and it works fantastic. So you can make phone calls, listen to music, and all that. And that's really a super cool deal. I like that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. I do appreciate that as well. Everything we do here on your review channel, we do everything from soup to nuts to how-to videos, to tech, to everything else that you can think of. So if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button. Let me know. Leave some comments down below. I really do appreciate that. That's all I ask you to do. There is an affiliate link down below. I do get a small commission that costs you nothing. And that's all that is. Do to help support my channel. That's what it's for. And again, I want to thank Beats for sending me this product and gifting it to me to do a review. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hope it brought you some value, and I appreciate your time as always. And I'll see you at the next review.